What?
Tell me your homework, fractions of Salah.
Ilyas, I'm fasting, Ilyas.
Adam! Adam!
What?
Help me do the laundry!
Ilyas, I'm fasting. I'm tired. Can you do that later?
Adam!
What?
Ibu says you have to clean up the room.
What?
Ibu says you have to clean up the room.
I beat your high score. See? Now I died. Why just come? You're disturbing me. What did Ibu say?
Ibu says you have to clean up the room.
But I'm fasting.
If fasting stops you from being productive, why do you fast?
Because... Why? Why do I fast?
I think I know where to go.
Assalamualaikum.
سآتي إليك أزف التهاني وأمنح رأسك تاجا ألو بقلب يفيض هدى ورضاء سأهديك من مقلتي الحروب سآتي إليك أزف التهاني وأمنح رأسك تاجا ألو.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Masya Allah. Assalamualaikum, Sheikh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, brother Adam?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Are you healthy?
Syukur, alhamdulillah. And you, Ilyas? May Allah bless both of you. So, how is everything at home?
Everything's okay, alhamdulillah.
Good.
We're fasting well.
Yeah, alhamdulillah. How do you feel about this Ramadan?
So far, it's been okay. But actually, we have a question to ask.
Okay.
Why do we Muslims need to fast in Ramadan?
Okay. It's a very interesting question. Now, the reason Allah wants us to fast is not to torture us, to make life difficult for us. No. He loves us so much that He wants us to become better and better. We know that being human, we want to be a better person. So we want to improve ourselves. And that's why Allah in the Quran said, لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ. The reason Allah wants us to fast so that we will attain taqwa. We become closer to Allah. We become a better person with better moral, character, attitudes. And that's why fasting is not just stopping or abstaining from food and drink. It also disciplines how to take care of our words. Whatever you say, you must be careful. You control your speech, control your desire. That's what fasting is. Because Allah loves us more than we love ourselves. And our body have right upon us. Our body needs rest, like our eye needs to rest, to sleep, and we close our eye, everything. The same thing, our body, our stomach needs some rest. So fasting is just stay away from food and drink, even it's halal, in the daytime, from Fajr Sadiq to Maghrib. That's all. Now, after you learn how to control your desire, you can feel that now you can control yourself better than before. That is the reason Allah wants us to do, not to make our life difficult. May Allah help us, to make sure that this fasting month will be the best fast for all of us. Amin. Ya Rabbal Alamin.
Allah